artwork. So, select clause also after I explain. Select clause, select statement, we will give the list of columns. Okay, of columns we will give it. And next, after select clause, it's where clause. Where clause, sorry, from clause. From clause, we will give the list of tables. Okay, specify the select clause, column list, from clause, table list. Okay, where clause, remaining all are optional. Select from are mandatory, remaining all are optional. Where clause, we will give the condition. If condition satisfies, it is a row level condition. If condition satisfied, it will give the result. If condition is not satisfied, means condition satisfied means condition is true, then it will return, means give the values. If condition is false, it not give the any result. So after that, group by clause it will come. Group by clause, which are the columns we are specifying in the select column list. All columns we have to specify in the group by clause. But not required. Mirad పెద్ద అయిపోయింది వర్షం వద్దొద్దు నడిచిపోతారు. So same way group by, yeah, list of columns we have to specify. Only thing is which are columns select list you specify. But derived columns no need to specify. If you have anything newly deriving in the select clause, no need to specify in the group by clause. Then having clause it will come. Having clause with the group, always it followed by group by clause. Okay. Having clause, condition, having condition, everything. It's the aggregate function. It is like a aggregate function. It is not a row level. It is a aggregate function. You have to give. Okay. Next, followed by order by clause. After having order by clause is the last clause. Okay. All clauses, last clause is order by. Order by, we can use order by column name, ascending or descending. Okay. These are the aggregate functions. We will have another few of the other functions also we will see. So now we will discuss about few functions. Okay. Already we say NVL. What it will do NVL function. That NVL function did you understand what it did here? Here I used NVL. MGR 783. Okay. This is also used. I showed here both functions what it is written as well. So some difference is there, right? 756 is 7698. There is no difference. But 7839 will have a difference. Here 8275 used, here 13,275. Why? Because in group by I used manager, but here not used NVL I used. So what it did, NVL MGR 783. What happened here? Suppose see if we are saying all, right? We are saying here all are having a managers. All employees are having managers except king. So king value, there is no manager, means it is a null value. So if there is no manager means he is the employee and he is a manager. He is the boss of him also, right? So in these type of scenarios, for example, so null values, which are the columns you are able to see here? Tell me. One is MGR, another one is convention, right? So if you are seeing first column is okay, here, ename. Why I am giving ename? Just at least which are the employees having the null columns. So I want to see null records. So king having a manager null and commission also not there. So same way, Allen, Ward, Martin, and Turner have some commissions. Remaining all are not having any commission. So in this case, see for example, if I am seeing here, if I want to do count of EMP number, a count star if I am giving, I am getting 14 records. So, but 14 records only there, right? But even star if I am giving also, I am giving a count star or count, ename, any column. Okay, I am giving count, and here, okay, count of commission. So count of employee name, count of manager, count of commission, count of star if I'm giving, just observe here. So what we are getting? Count star if you are giving 14 records, count ename also 14 records, count mgr 13, count commission 4. Means what it is doing, without null values, it is counting. If null values are there, it's not counting. So if you want to give number of records of the employees, if you are specifying a commission and a manager, then it is giving a wrong values. Unique ID, name and employee number, if you are giving, it will give all the records. But MGR commission, then it is a wrong, it is showing, right? So if you want to avoid those type of scenarios, count if you are giving, we have to use NVL also. Suppose if I am giving NVL 7839, I have to do. Okay, if I'm giving a count of commission, then what I have to give? NVL commission if it commission comma 0 I'm giving. Okay. So now everything is getting important. This is the right. So what is happening here? NVL commission comma 0 I given. What it is happening exactly? If commission is a null, okay, null, this NVL function replacing null with the zeros for commission. Commission is a null, means commission column is a null, then it replacing a 0. Null with 0. Same way, MGR null value MVL we are using. If you are getting a MGR column as a null, then it is replacing 7839. So now we are getting all the things. Same way, if you are seeing here, MGR commission, same way you have, for example, MVL. Okay, manager is a null. Then you can give anything, even one also we can give. Okay, is manager is a 1. Okay. Same way, MVL commission is nothing is there. This is a commission. If commission not there means 0 only we have to give because it is a money, right? It is a rupee, like a salary, commission. Those are like a, it indicates money, right? So for money, 0 no value means it is equal to null only, right? Means no value, 0. So if you are specifying 0 or not, no issue. Means 0 means nothing. Okay, so in that case, commission we will keep a 0. For other case, MGR, you can give whatever you want. But MGR, why every time I am giving 7839? Because he is the top position. He is the king and president. Okay, he is the king. King is the president of. So president is the superior of all employees. So for him, subordinates are there, but superiors are not there. So he is the boss. So for boss, then he is the employee, and so we can give 7839. He is name for him also. Manager is 7839 only, not any number is not replaced. So that's why we are giving always 783. Like this, if you want to replace any value, you can give, if NVL instead of NVL, you can replace, but it should be meaningful. Whenever you are doing, that should be meaningful. See, now you see what it is coming. King also 7839. Commissions all are displaying zeros. NVL. So we will give NVL instead of null value, replace with whatever the value you are giving, that value it will replace. For example, here all null values, suppose commission is null, then default I am giving everyone to 100 rupees default commission. Then it will come hundreds there. Okay, but this guy, zero guy, it's not changing. Why? Because already he has a zero. So that is not replacing. If that is the case, again, we have to use another function for that one. Okay. I will tell you after that, what we have to use for that function. If some value is there, then what we have to write. But here NVL works for the only null values. If not null value, then it not works. It is works for only null values. Okay, NVL means null value. Null value replacing with whatever the value you are giving there, that value it will replace it. NVL, that column name, after that value, null value. What is the value you want? That value it will give. So that is, it is showing here. NVL function permits you to replace all null values with a default value. It requires two parameter values. First value is a column name and second is any default value. If the value in the first parameter is null, then the function returns the value in the second parameter. What are the parameter means? Whatever you are giving instead of that MGR, whatever the first parameter is a MGR, second parameter is a 7839. Same way for commission, first parameter is a NVL, first parameter is a commission, second parameter is a 0. So first parameter is a null, means that column is a null, then it will give a second parameter. If first parameter is having a value, you saw right? If first parameter is having a value, then it will give that value only. See here, 300, 500 are there. So it is first parameter having the values, means that column having the values. It not returns any default value, 100 or 0. Okay. Same way here also, black, clerk, remaining all are having their managers. So it is not a not null value. So it's giving same values. But king having a null value, it is replacing a second parameter. Now you clear, right? So next one is NVL. What it will do? NVL2, what it will do? NVL2 function, expression 1 means column name. Expression 2, if expression 1 is not null. Okay, what it is happening? Here, another thing, this is, if expression 1, expression 2, expression 3, three parameters we are giving here. The expression 1 means column name. Second one, what we are giving, expression 2 value, if expression is not null. If expression, suppose any column, we are changing, okay, values. Suppose this value, first parameter value is a not null, then you replace with this value. If it is a null, then this third parameter. If it is a null, then third parameter. If this is a not null, then this parameter. Means here, if expression is not null, then replace with the expression 2. If expression 1 is null, then replace with the expression. Means NVL2, we have a 3 parameters. Okay, for example, what I'm giving here. NVL2. Okay, commission. If commission is a not null, then what we will give? Commission order. Okay. Commission plus 1000. If commission is not null, then commission plus 1000. Okay. If commission is a null, then 1000. Now you got it right. So in this case, what it will happen? So see here. So here, generally, here we use it NVL. Wherever commission is null, 0 sit can. Okay. But this is 0 default 0, 0 only. NVL2, if you are seeing right, see NVL2, what it is happening. 3 parameters we get. If commission is a null, commission is a null, then what we are saying, commission is null. Earlier with NVL, first parameter, second parameter only we are giving here. For NVL2, just you have to think here, NVL and NVL2 difference. NVL, we have a 2 parameters. NVL2, 3 parameters. So what it is happening? NVL2, if it is a NVL2, if it is commission is a null, means whatever the column you are specifying that is a null, then this third value it will give, means third parameter. If it is a not null, this value, second parameter. If it is a null, then third parameter. If it is a not null, then second parameter. Here what we given, if commission is a null, okay, commission is a not null, then commission plus 1000, else 1000. Here third condition, these all thousands right? It is all null values. So third parameter, it will return. This one is a not null, 3,300. So it is adding plus 1,000, 1,300. 500 it's happening, plus 500. 1,400 plus 1,000, 2,400. So remaining all are having a 0. So it is adding 1,000 plus 1,000 for this one also. Only thing is that value 0 plus 1,000. Okay. Now you are clear about NVL and NVL2. NVL having only 2 parameters, NVL2 having a 3 parameters. NVL always first parameter is a null, then second parameter it will return. Okay. But NVL2, if first parameter is a null, then third parameter. If first parameter is a not null, then second parameter will return. So that is the difference between NVL and NVL2. అర్థమా అంటే